I got starts and you ain't got none. I got starts and you ain't got none. Oh my goodness. Look what I have. And I know y'all saying, what is that? These are germinated starts from Gigi's Natural. Oh my goodness. Let me tell y'all something. If y'all don't know Gigi, I want y'all to go over there. Okay, watch this video first. Then go over there and tell her the Scaredy Cat Gardener sent you. She is the reason I have all the peppers I have. She is the reason I have a lot of things that are growing on in my garden. And she just sent me, I have purple Okinawa, can't even say it, purple Okinawa sweet potatoes. I have some Yarrow, and I have Cuban oregano. And we're getting ready to plant all of this right now. I want to start with the purple sweet potatoes, and we're going to plant these. They survive the mail and everything. When you have a plant like this, especially sweet potatoes, I'm going to share with you about planting the other ones, but we're going to do the sweet potatoes first. First of all, take your wet paper towel off of what you have. Okay, now you can see it's attached to the paper towel some because the roots have started growing in there. See that? Okay, so let me take a minute and get this carefully detached. Okay, see that? And I know y'all say, but look at the top, that's dead. That's okay. We're going to plant this whole thing, okay? We're going to plant the stem and all, okay? Okay, so I'm going to plant these not vertical. I'm going to plant them horizontal. And I'm just digging a small trench here. I'm going to put one of these slips in each one because you want them to have plenty of room to grow, okay? So, and as you can see, even this gets planted. You see that root there? It gets planted. I'm going to plant these ones that have broken in one section. You see that? And I'm going to plant them in a line. Plant all of these, okay? These are going to go in the middle. And I'm just putting them 1, 2, 3, right in a line as if they were still connected. All right, you see this one? Look at those beautiful roots on there, okay? I don't have to take this off. I cannot. I am going to take this leaf off of here. You can leave it on, it doesn't matter. I'm planting the entire stem, okay? Start it from this way, and I'm gonna plant that whole stem. And the same, this is gonna go, that's poking up, but I'm gonna push it down in there when the time comes. And this one is another one. Actually, this could be 2. This one right here, I'm gonna plant down here in the end, over here at the end. Okay, so this is my Cuban oregano, and as you can see, the leaves were already broke off in the plastic bag, and that's okay. When that happens, let's take this apart first. Let's see our root system. Look at that good root system. When that happens and you don't have any more leaves, then just leave an inch above the soil. That's just enough. This is what counts, okay? This is what's going to make more grow. So it doesn't matter if you don't have any leaves, it's the roots, okay? So let's get this one planted. Again, it's getting its own pot. So this one is really simple. Plant it as usual, straight down into the soil, and make sure you just have about 1 inch sticking up, okay? That's all you need. That's all you need. Firm it up around there, right in the center of this pot. And it's going to be full of Cuban oregano. Oh my goodness. I'm going to keep saying it. Gigi, thank you. Gigi's Natural. Y'all go over there, check her out. Subscribe to her channel and tell her the Scaredy Cat Gardener sent you. She is a wealth, and I do mean a wealth, of knowledge. She also talks about her Gigi gems, and trust me, they are gems, okay? So let's go see where we can plant this yarrow. Okay, so we are now down to our yarrow, and this we're going to do just a little bit differently because the Scaredy Cat Gardener is out of pots. So this is where we learn to maximize our space. Even when growing in small space, there's always something you can do. Now, ooh, look at that, look at that. So we're going to take most of that off, but first we're going to unwrap so we can see what we have as far as our root system goes. Let's see if I can find the edge here. And once we find our root system, we're going to plant this in the exact same pot. Look at that. Look at that, Gigi. Look at that. Look at that, Gigi. Look at that. We're going to plant this in the exact same pot as I have cucumbers and radish, and it is a 13.5-gallon pot. This is just going to show you that you can maximize small spaces. Yarrow is invasive, but more so in the ground. It's only so far it's going to go in a pot. The good thing about it is the cucumbers will come to an end soon, and my radishes are bolting already. I'm going to eat some of the pods. I'm going to let the rest go to seed. So eventually the pot will be left to the yarrow. So let's go plant it. Okay, and I got to hurry up now because I got to get in the house. It's about 20 lizards out here running everywhere. They're scaring me to death, and I'm going to let them have the garden, and I'm going in the house. Okay, so I'm just going to clip this off right here. Clip all the dead what was leaves off. Okay, I'll be tossing that. This is what I have. I'll leave about an inch up in the soil. Okay, this is the hole I made for it. It will take root from here and spread throughout this entire pot, and that's what we want. Press it down in there really good. Make it stand up straight and tall. Add attention. Okay, push it down. Okay, now it'll take off and grow from there. Put some of that little straw back there. I'll get this out of here. Now, I told you I was going to eat some pods, didn't I? And I am. I don't know if you all can see this. These are, let's see if I can get this. Let me get a little closer here. Let me go on this side. This right here, this is a radish pod. It is completely 100% edible. It's slightly sweeter than the radish and crunchy. It's excellent in salads or by itself. You can let them continue to go. They'll dry out and you will have seeds. I got tons of the pods on here. So I'm going to take some and put them in my salad today. And then I will let probably the rest go to seed. Okay, I'm going to say this. I'm going to keep saying I'm going to put Gigi's link in the description of this video. Y'all, I don't know if y'all can see this. My Thai basil brushing up against my arm. At any rate, thank you all for coming and hanging out with me today here in my garden. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. I'm Pam. This is Zone 8A. And anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant.